Greetings one and all, happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm doing I'm doing a sweet potato hash, which I've never made before, but I found this can of roast beef hash in the pantry. I figured I'd use it up. I'm gonna be doing some diet changes, so I was gonna do an update video. I just couldn't get it done, even though I've been home all day. But yeah, let's start cooking dinner, and we'll get to it. I gotta get my sweet potatoes on because they're gonna take a little bit. So I'm gonna peel this. Salt. Go ahead and get the hash in. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to throw some cherry tomatoes in here as well. Clear a space in the center and get the mushrooms in. Salt those as well. Not looking too bad. Throw the tomatoes in there. And heat down. Of course, it wouldn't be breakfast without Dulce Wevels, so 2 eggs. Oh. Complete with shell. And of course, black pepper. Alright, I'm waiting for my eggs, so I'll go ahead and dish this out. Oh, you stuck a little bit. You cheeky bugger. Oh, there we go. Get that right on top of the hash. There we go. Oh, I need one more ingredient. Well, it's got some color in it. I'm glad I had it in the refrigerator. Little avocado. Alright, here's how she's looking. I've never actually made sweet potato hash before. Some of the pieces got a little dark, but if it doesn't affect the flavor, then, you know, whatever. Alright. You know what? That's actually pretty tasty. Oh. I mean, I like sweet potato anyway. Because I cook my eggs over easy so I could get the yolk into the roast beef hash. Wow. That's actually quite good. I like that. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy dinner. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for last week's, no, not last week's, and card will have last week's video. The description will have the playlist for Casting Wednesday, and I also put Sean's channel in there from Shovelhead 8, who's been keeping these going. So, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next one.